Okay, I got one question. Somebody said, two says, would you recommend CASP or associated CISSP after the CYSA? So CYSA is entry level certification or a intermediate. I'm not sure which one it is, but it focuses on, if I'm not, correct me if I'm wrong, it's SOC analyst type certification from CompTIA. So I know a few people who have it and have spoken highly of it. And so now you're wanting to do like a intermediate to expert level certification, which good on you. That's definitely number one. That's a great move to make. Now what you want to do is go from, you've done the entry level. Now you're trying to make that different level up, in CASP will definitely do that for you, or the CISSP. um I'm partial to the CISSP only because right now it's more marketable. It's a more marketable certification, and from what I've heard, it's easier than the CASP, which now is called CompTIA Security X. By the way, they changed the name and the marketing for it. I personally, if I was in your position, I would focus all my energy on the CISSP. Um, but I don't have a CASP Plus. I have a CISSP. I don't have a CASP Plus. But the reason why I'm saying this is because CISSP is way more marketable right now. CASP Plus is going through some sort of marketing transition where they're going to start calling it Security X. The marketability of a certification definitely matters. It can make it so that it's way more marketable eventually than the CISSP. But right now, CISSP is way more marketable. Way more people know what it is. Way more people seek it out. Way more employers seek it out. And then you said associate CISSP. That's the only thing that I'm kind of, associate CISSP means that you don't have the 5 years, or you don't have all the requirements that's needed to get the CISSP. So you're going to go for sit for the test, take it, and then eventually get on as a full CISSP. I would still do that over CASP. I would still do that over CASP. I would personally go because it's more marketable, as more people know what it is. That's why I would do it. But not to say CASP is dope though. CASP is a serious certification. So that's definitely worth your time too. But if it was me, that's what I'm just giving you my 2 cents. Let me see. I got more questions coming from TikTok, but for now, let me go to YouTube. And just so you guys know, I'm on YouTube, I'm on TikTok, I'm on I'm on LinkedIn, I'm on Facebook. So you guys can, right now I'm live. You can talk to me, all that kind of stuff. Let me see. David Petrell says, I want to learn cloud. I'm studying for the CCSP. CCSP is IS ISC2's implementation of cloud certifications. So ISC2 is the guys who make the CISSP. So CISSP is like the gold standard of certifications. It's very, very marketable, right? How influential is it on your, like, how much will you know after you take it? I mean, I don't know. That's debatable. how 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 impactful is it towards your skill set? Like, I don't know about. I'm not talking about that. Right. So if you want to come here and debate me on CISSP, like, you win. Like, you win. I'm just saying it's more marketable. So anyway, ISC2 has the gold standard of security certifications, which is the CIS. Right now, CISP, that could change. This market's constantly moving and changing. So that eventually it will change. But right now, they have one of the top cybersecurity certification and a couple other awesome certifications. And their answer to cloud was something called the CCSP. So it's a high level certification. And I know that at my job at Verizon, when I was a consultant, and we had consultants that would specialize in cloud. And for those of us who wanted to get into that, they said, look, we need more people to specialize in cloud so we can do consultation for security in cloud. And one of the things we had to get was a CCSP. One was CCSP. The other one was an AWS certification, but I think it was the professional or something. It was a high level AWS certification, and then they had one for Google. There was like 3 certifications that we were allowed to take, but they were all like professional level certifications, and CSP was one of those. So CCSP is no joke. How marketable is it if you are getting into the industry? I think that vendor certifications are more marketable than the CSP, but CCSP is definitely one of the top tier professional level certifications. So David, man, congrats to that, man. Go for it. Let me see. Somebody said, "Where have you been?" I don't know if that's to me or to somebody else. Let me see. Let me see. More questions. More questions. Oh, thank you so much. You're welcome.